can tell you're not feeling your best today. I know. It's the time of the month again, huh? You don't have to explain yourself. I got you, baby. I know how hard this can be for you. But first things first. Have you had something to help with those cramps? If not, I can get you some pain relief or make you a cup of tea. Anything you need. Just say the word. No, sweetie. I know this sucks. But I'm here for you. I'm here to help you through it. And if you want to rest, I can stay close. Or if you need a distraction, we can watch a movie and just cuddle up. We can just lay there. I mean, you shouldn't feel like you're pushing this through on your own. I'm here. I'm here to take care of you. So, let me help you take some weight off of your shoulders. No, sweetie. You always handle everything with so much strength. Right now, just focus on resting. Just take it easy. You deserve it. Here, let me give you a massage. Does this help? I wish I could take all the pain away from you. You don't deserve to feel like this. But I'll do anything I can to make it easier, okay? And sweetie, I'll stay with you as long as you need. If you want, you can just lay here and relax. And I'll hold you close. And if you need to talk, I'll listen. Whatever you need, I'm here. I mean, you're so strong for getting through this. But I want you to know that it's okay to let go sometimes. You don't always have to push yourself right now. Here. Just let me take care of you. Sweetie, I got a surprise for you. I got one of these heated water bottle things. It's like in the shape of a bear. Here, I can heat it up for you. Here you go, sweetie, I'm back. Here, let me put this heated water bottle on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? Baby, scoot over a bit. Let me lay down right next to you. You know, sweetie, I was thinking about the day we first met. Back in college. I know it feels like a lifetime ago. But I remember it so clearly like it happened yesterday. I mean, I remember I was running late to class. Typical me, right? I was rushing through the hallways, trying to make it before the professor noticed me. And then out of nowhere, I bumped into you. And I'll never forget the look on your face. You were so startled, you were so shocked. I mean, all of your books went flying. And I felt so bad. And I remember trying to pick up all your books. I was scrambling. And I apologized to you over and over again. But then you just laughed. And that laugh was the first thing I noticed about you. And I don't know why. From that moment, I felt like I had to know you. There was something about you. Something special. And I'm so glad. I'm so glad I bumped into you that day. It changed everything for me. Then after a while, getting to know you, and I finally got the courage to ask you to become my study buddy. And that's when we started to hang out more and more. And I remember how we used to study late at night in the library. You were always so focused. And I would just sit there, pretending to read. But really, I was just watching you. I couldn't help it. And I was so mesmerized by how dedicated you were, how passionate. And that's what I love about you. And you always catch me staring at you. But I always make up some kind of excuse. But I think you knew. I mean, I can't stop thinking about how lucky I was. How lucky I still am. To have met you. To have you in my life. I mean, you always had a way of making everything feel right. Even when things are tough. And that's why I'm so thankful for you. You make me feel like I can handle anything. So tonight, let me take care of you, okay? You don't need to think about anything, and you don't need to stress about anything. Sweetie, come cuddle. Come cuddle close. Good. Just like that. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, you know, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. And your lips lips are absolutely amazing. They're so beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. It really does. And honestly, everything just kind of fades away. And I can't just help feel being so lucky with you here. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice combines with your lips moving. It mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feel so special. I mean, I just want to let you know that I appreciate you, you know. Your lips are not just beautiful. Your lips also hold like this warmth and kindness to them. And it makes it very comforting to be close to you. I know I don't tell you this enough, but you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just a part of that. And your hair, you got the most beautiful hair in the world. You do. And I love brushing your hair behind your ears. Like that. Your hair is just so soft and beautiful. And the way that it shines in the light, it just glows. And I love how my fingers feel when I run my fingers through your hair. It's just so silky and smooth. And sometimes when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. There's like a whole brand new side of you that comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. And everything makes up your face. And you got the most beautiful face in the world. I feel like every time I look at you, it just lights up my world, lights up my day. It makes everything brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day. And I love watching your expressions change. Whether you're happy, sad, or annoyed. Every single emotion that crosses your face is just so captivating. I don't know if you realize it, but you have a way of making me feel calm. You really do. I can spend hours just looking at you, being mesmerized by every curve and every part of your face. You're amazing, sweetheart. And every time I see your face, I feel like I'm falling for you all over again. You have this natural beauty that no one else can ever compare to.